Hi! Children, we all love rain. We love to take bath in the gentle rain water, in the gentle breeze of rain and the pleasant wind. But when the gentle rain becomes too strong with strong wind and thunder and lightning in the sky, it turns to a storm, a dangerous storm, and then that can be dangerous. Let's find out with the help of a story. So, once upon a time, there was a village, and it was too hot in that village. The people of the village were thinking, "Oh, it's too hot. When will we get rain over here? Oh God, we pray you. Please send some rain in our village." So, after few days, the dense, dark grey color clouds scattered all round the sky. The wind started blowing, and the people of the village were very happy. Wow, it's going to rain! Finally, we are going to get a pleasant weather. There was a little boy, Chotu, in that village. Chotu loved rain. "Wow, Grandpa, it's going to rain. I am going to play in the rain. I am going to enjoy. I will stand at the window, take out my hands and feel the raindrops. It's going to be so much fun." So slowly, the days started passing, and in the evening time, what started? Rain with soft, pleasant wind. The rain started, and Chotu was super excited. He stood at the window of his house, took out his hands, and was enjoying the rain. But slowly, the soft, gentle rain and the soft wind started changing. The wind grew fast. Very strong wind started blowing, and the rain became too fast. It was heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning in the sky. The leaves of the trees started waving, and the window panes, the glass of the window started moving because of the wind. Too fast wind, which turned to be a storm. Chotu got scared. Chotu held hands of his grandfather and went off to sleep. Slowly, by the morning, the rain stopped. Chotu used to go for a morning walk with his grandpa every day. So exactly after 2 days of the storm, Chotu went out with his grandfather in the morning. And he was surprised. "Grandpa, what is this? This tree was here. Why this tree has fallen? Oh no! So many trees were here, they all were standing. But now, why so many trees have fallen on the land? I don't understand, Grandpa. Why?" Grandpa said, "Chotu, because of such a huge storm, the trees fell down." Chotu was sad. He started walking with his grandpa and reached the garden where he used to go for the morning walk. And when he entered into the garden, he was surprised. Grandpa, my favorite mango tree is not here. The tree just beside the mango tree was crying. Chotu! Chotu! What happened, my friend? Why are you crying? Chotu, this mango tree has fallen. It was my best friend. Now with whom I will talk. Now with whom I will share my things. It was my best friend, Chotu. Chotu felt sad, but he did not say anything. He just moved ahead. Every day, Chotu used to bring grains with him for the pigeons. But he saw that the pigeon was sad. Gudrugu, 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 gudrugu. Miss Pigeon, why are you sitting at the corner and why are you sad? Chotu, our nest which we made on that big tree is no more. It's damaged, it's destroyed because of the wind of the storm that day. The tree has broken. We made that nest with so much of effort. Chotu just gave the grains to the pigeons and moved ahead. Every day, Chotu used to bring milk with him for the cat in the park, in the garden. Where is the pussy cat today? I can't find her. Every day she used to be over here playing around. Oh, Grandpa, see, she's sitting there in the corner. Meow, 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 meow. What happened, pussycat? Why are you crying? Chotu, I used to rest under that big tree. That big tree used to protect me from the sun rays, from the rain. Now that tree has fallen in the storm. Where will we rest? I am sad. Meow. Chotu didn't say anything. He gave the milk to the cat and went away towards home. On the way, he asked his grandfather, Grandfather, what can we do to help those animals and birds? All the trees have fallen. Can we do something? Please say. Grandfather said, Chotu, even I am sad, but I will not tell you what you have to do. You think what you should do and tell me the next morning. Chotu started using his brain that what should I do? What should be done? Next morning, he woke up with an amazing idea. He ran to his grandfather. Grandpa, Grandpa, I have got an idea. We can't plant so many trees because so many trees have fallen. But Grandpa, we can plant trees in that park, in that garden. That we can do. Grandpa was very happy. Yes, Chotu, you are correct. We can plant trees. Chotu picked up the phone, called up his friends. Friends, come with your mamas and papas. We are going to plant trees in the garden. We have to help the birds and the animals. All the friends, along with their mamas and papas, came running to the garden. They dug the hole over there, filled up with the seed, with the soil, watered it, and every day Chotu used to water all the plants in the garden when he used to go over there with his grandpa. Slowly, slowly. The trees don't grow in one day. It takes a lot of years. Slowly, slowly, the trees started growing. And the children, they also started growing. Chotu also started growing. And one fine day, Chotu was passing in his bicycle from outside the garden and he was so happy to see. Do you know what did he see? He saw that the mango tree had grown and the pigeon was back on the tree with her nest with all the babies. The other pigeon was there with all the babies. Chotu was so happy. He ran back home to his grandfather. Grandpa, grandpa, the tree has grown. The birds are there back with their homes. I am so happy. He gave this good news to all his friends. They were so happy that they could plant trees and give houses to so many birds and animals. Children, so many trees break, fall, gets uprooted when the storms come. What we can do? We can plant at least one tree, if not so many trees, to help our environment, to help the birds, to help the animals, give them back their homes. Let's try it. Bye.